Well, we just got flashed, so I'm wondering what is up ahead, but he told us to slow down. There are 2 cars here. I don't see a cop. This guy did not flash us, so there is a chance that there is no cop, and the other dude was just saying, hey, slow down, you're doing 3k over the speed limit. No flash, no flash. Okay, I think we're in the clear. Oh man, what a corner. Holy, that was amazing. Wow, that was beautiful. Oh, highway patrol. That's why they were telling us to slow down. Okay. Oh, I don't like this road.
How you going?
Hey, good, thanks. Man, I saw these guys passing the cafe.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. You haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, cool.
We're just doing check with compliance that you got your right bike,
Yeah.
right gear,
Sweet.
your license.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just
Got all of
sort
that.
Stuff. Bikes are overrepresented at the moment in fatalities. We just want to make sure people are doing the right thing, and it's up here that's happening because of the bends. Totally about safety and ensuring that you have got a license and you should be riding. Good to see you got the right helmet on, everything.
Yeah, I'm all the gear all the time.
Good.
Should I take, can I?
No, you don't need to.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's fine. There we go. Just a breath through onto that one. And stop. Good job, Ta. You've got a bit more riding to do today, or you're almost done?
I'm just following my new friend there, so we'll see where he takes us, but yeah, just a relaxed.
How's he going with his riding, being that I can see he's got a learner on there?
Yeah, he's doing great.
He's going okay?
Yeah.
And you're not pushing him, which is what you're sitting behind, which is nice. So this is the thing too, is a lot of the time the learners, or the group rides, the best experienced ones are at the front and the rear. They're trying to catch up constantly,
Yeah.
and then they end up going off where they
No,
should go.
I've fallen victim to that old trick for sure, especially as a learner, but no, we're taking it easy.
You're obviously doing everything the right way because you're sitting behind him and you're not sort of sitting on top of him.
Thank you, yeah, no.
We appreciate that because you're obviously taking into consideration you've been in that boat before and
Yeah.
you're not going to push him.
No.
So it's his pace. And are you talking to each other through
No, we're not.
communications? Okay.
But we talked beforehand, and if anything, I told him I'm going to take it easy, so
You're perfect.
yeah.
Good to see that you're ticking all the boxes. It's exactly what we need to see. Just we need to see more of it, unfortunately. Enjoy the rest of your ride.
Cool, thank you. Thanks so much for being really nice about everything.
It's fine, thank you.
Have a good one.
Oh, it is 100 road, so you can go for it.
Oh, is that 100?
This is all 100.
I thought it was 80. Well, that's good to know. Would you look at that? I was just roasting that wonderful Good Samaritan, thinking that he was telling us to slow down because I was going over the limit, which I wasn't. I think, if anything, I was actually 30 kilometers per hour under the limit. But yeah, good thing I heeded that gentleman's direction though. There you go, folks. If you see someone flash their headlights, you know what's happening. I know Highway Patrol get a bad rap. Every time I see them, you'll hear me complain a little, but that lady was lovely, and you know, if anything, she was reaffirming the message that I'm often spewing on this channel about riding safely, riding within your limits, and kind of just doing your own thing. You know, I'm not an experienced rider myself, but I'd say I have a bit more than Jack here does, as he's been riding for about 5 months. But I'm not going to push him. And to be honest, even I don't think I could, because this bike is brand new, and as you guys can see, I'm still very much getting used to it. Whoa, look at these corners, man. Holy shit, this is so fun. But what? Oh man, it feels so wrong riding like this, knowing that there's a highway patrol cruiser behind us somewhere.
You say you've got them guns, but I've never seen you bang. You say you've got them drugs, but I've never seen you slang.